In this video clip, we will get you started with creating a new project on the IBISBAHub, assign members to it, and also address questions of sharing and licensing. So let's get started. Assuming you already have registered on the hub, the first step, as expected, is to log into the hub. Next, we will create a new project by clicking on Create in the top navigation bar and selecting Project from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new project page for creating the project. Let's add a title to our project. I'm creating the project Muconic Acid Development from Yeast. We recommend you give a concise but descriptive project name, ideally in line with the one in project proposal document. Next, I will add some description to the project, which can be a summary or the final aim of the project. Hopefully, all of the facility operators should have received a project description as part of the whole subsidized access procedure. You can use that here. Next, we can now associate this project to a program, which in your case will be the transnational access, but for the purpose of this example, I'm using IBISBA 2020 F2F. Now we can add the name of the institution. This you can do by clicking on Add Me to this project and Make Me the administrator, and you will see a list of institutions come up from which you can choose the relevant institution. Next, we will add the organism information if it is relevant to your project. Once this is done, we will click the Create button and your project will be created. Once the project is created, you can go to the Actions button and from the drop-down menu, choose Manage Project. This will give you the opportunity to choose the licensing and sharing options in addition to editing other details such as the title or the description. The licensing will determine who is legally allowed to reuse it, whereas the sharing determines who has access to the data. We will choose the kind of license we want to associate to any data or software that will be created as a result of the project. You have a list of options to choose from, and for now, I will choose the first option, no license. Next, we choose the access rights. That is, who do you want to share the project with and what rights will they have. You can keep it completely private by choosing no access to the public or grant limited access, such as allowing to view only. You may also share the project with a person or an institution or an already registered member of the hub or the project. And now we can update the project. Next, again from the Actions menu button, you can add members to your project by clicking on the Administer Project Members. Add the name of the member, the institution, add and confirm the changes. You have now successfully created a project, decided on the access rights, added members to it, and you're now ready to populate the project.